again, Team Real Events Management would like to greet Mr. and Mrs. Ochea, Michael and Jacqueline, a best wishes. Everybody enjoy your lunch. Let me sing another David Pomeranz song for Michael and Jacqueline this afternoon. So earlier we heard the Born For You by David Pomeranz. This one is On This Day by David Pomeranz. Enjoy your DIY tote bags and refreshments from Babaylan Cafe and your lunch this afternoon. When we come back, second and last segment of our event this afternoon. Official Facebook page, please like us, Royal Events Management on Facebook. Present TV movie appearances, tag in the hashtag Mount Ilarden Sing MC. Thank you very much.
Lakihan mo, Ma'am. Di ba nalalakihan yan?
We will stand today like we always dreamed, starting out our lives together.
Away.
Best wishes once again, our beloved newlywed couple, Michael and